Peace. This MJ with Wake Up News. I'll be offering my commentary pertaining to the subject or title that you clicked on in a few moments. Peace.
Wait, one at a time. One at a time.
Wait. What about me?
What about you?
Still our big baby.
Peace. This MJ with Wake Up News. This is a beautiful little short clip just showing, what dads do, what parents do, as he is meticulously and carefully getting each one of his little ones to the vehicle safely. And that's the service that comes with being a parent. Being able to care for people who are not able to care for themselves. And that's why the scripture says, honor your mother and father, that your days may be long, because of stuff like this, right? When we couldn't wipe our own backside, somebody needed to be there to wipe our own backside. When we couldn't feed ourselves, our parents, our guardians, our attendants, they served us in that manner. So a lot of gratitude is required from the Creator, because they helped nurture us into the individuals that we are today. This your brother MJ with Wake Up News. I'm signing off. Peace.